प्रियंका प्रियंका जरा साथ में
Yeah, Nida will be here for more interviews, one on one.
Okay, thank you guys. Thank you.
thank you
As my name is Akhilesh Prasad, and I look after the business of Reliance Trends in the Reliance retail vertical. Reliance Trends is now India's largest fashion destination, and I think it is our responsibility to bring the latest fashion trend for the Indian women and the Indian girl. What you saw showcased today were essentially three collections, which is the tropical, the carnival, and the Aztec prints. Now these are hot anywhere in the world today. What you saw on the ramp is what you see in the outlet. The product is very appropriate for the Indian summer, which is very, very hot. The garments are flowy, the colors are bright, it's very comfortable to wear, and of course it makes you look good.
So a few words on how is like something about Grazia, and if you've seen our shoot and everything that we've done for you, just a few words for us, please.
Okay. I think our association with Grazia has now matured. I think both they and us understand each other, and what Grazia has done and in their issues by showcasing our collections has been tremendous. I think fashion statements for this season will be made through what you see in the Grazia magazine. I think Grazia has been a great associate with Reliance Trends, and Reliance Trends has really benefited from this association with Grazia. Thank you.
When I saw the Reliance Trends Spring Summer 14 collection, I was pretty happy to see it because it's so in sync with the recent fashion trends. It's so keeping in with what global trends are all about, keeping in mind what the youngsters of today would like to wear, colorful yet stylish, yet something that's more wearable, can be dressed up or down, accessorized and worn in different ways. And at the same time, I think the price points are also really effective, which is, I think, very important for the average consumer of today's fashion industry. Associated with Reliance Trends in the past, and I'm very happy to associate with them today, and would be happy to associate with them in the future as well. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Prachi Khade. I'm a stylist. I style for a lot of shoots, print ads, ad films and everything. Normally I love to shop from Reliance Trends because their clothes are so wearable, and today's collection was really beautiful. I'm glad that now I can have such a beautiful collection to shop for, not just for the shoots but for myself also. In terms of the colors, I love the colors, the textures of the fabrics. The fall was amazing. Also, the four favorites of mine were the textured jackets, then the sheer jackets, the crop tops, and also the long skirts. I loved them. They were just beautiful. Thank you. The show today was really nice. The neons were really popping up. They are the color of the season, and they did really well on the ramp. I love the combination of the Indian wear and the Western wear together. The Indo-Western was something that I saw for the first time Neeta Lulla do. Priyanka Chopra looked beautiful. She looked really nice. I loved her garment. The flow was nice. The color was just perfect. Thank you. Okay, I love it nice and flowy. I love flowers, so I always go for floral prints and everything. I love bright colors. I like it comfortable. Most importantly, it has to flow. I like it really girly. So girly and flow is what I like. Thanks.
Excuse me.
I just have to hold this.
No.
I just love today's show, basically.
First of all, I think they should introduce.
Okay. Yeah.
Hi, my name is
Okay. Hello, my name is Vipra, and I'm a beauty and fashion blogger. I hold a blog, Forever Magnifico, and today I was invited by Reliance. I usually shop from Reliance, and I love their collection. And talking about today's event was really special because I really admire Neeta Lulla's collection.
and I'm fond of her collection. So today's show was very nice. I love the collection with the shears and the fabrics and the colors, basically the pop colors what she used. A nice blend of Western and Indian trend. So I'm looking forward to Reliance to shop more this spring summer.
Hi, I am Garima, and I am also a fashion and a lifestyle blogger at Cosmetics. And it was really special to be a part of this event. The event was well organized and lovely. I love the collection. Definitely one of the best designers. And I really loved how she had paired pop colors with beiges. I really loved it, and plus it was a very nice mix of Indian and fusion. It was very fresh, wearable, and there was not too much of bling. It was really classy, that's what I would say. And yeah, Reliance Trends, yeah, I love their latest spring summer collection that has come up, especially the monochromes and the Aztec prints. The jumpsuits are awesome, and I'm really looking